Hi, I'm going to talk about bay leaf for aromatherapy. It is known as Tej Patta in Ayurveda. Bay leaf and its oils have drying and warming energies and are characterized with a fresh, long lasting, sweet, balsamic, and spicy aroma. The aroma of bay leaf spice has considerable calming effect on the mind and helps in relaxing the body. It also eases respiratory ailments as it aids in releasing the respiratory airways. The herbal fragrance of bay leaf purifies the ambience and can be used as an incense. For this aromatherapy, I had used few dried bay leaves, some cloves, pachai karpuram or green camphor, some coconut husk. I also used lavender oil to enhance the aromatherapy, but which is totally an optional. I also used the regular camphor to burn these. Bay leaf oil has excellent warming energy that assists in relieving from illness caused due to excess water deposits. Generally, respiratory illness are caused mainly due to the imbalance of Kapha dosha and Vata dosha. In cases of breathing difficulties faced in asthmatic attacks, bay oil has been trusted as a natural source of reducing excess of Kapha and Vata dosha. This helps in the treatment of congestion, build-up of phlegm in the lungs and nasal passages, whooping cough and cold. 2 drops of bay oil and 2 drops of tulsi oil added to steam inhalation is great assistance for loosening stiff phlegm and mucus deposits in the breathing passages, nasal congestion, stiff nose, watery eyes, cough, common cold, headache, and other respiratory allergies. With its drying and warming energies, along with its fresh, long lasting, sweet, balsamic, and spicy aroma, bay leaf essential oil is said to pacify Kapha and Vata dosha and aggravate Pitta dosha. Bay leaf is called as a Pitta aggravating spice and herb, where Pitta dosha deals with metabolism. Digestive disorders or problems due to Pitta deficiency are balanced with the help of bay leaves and its various extracts. Anxiety relief is touted as a major benefit of bay leaf burning. This is probably due to the fact that bay leaf smoke contains ninalul, a compound found in a number of other plants, including mint and lavender. Lavender is another plant commonly used for treating anxiety. Smelling bay leaves for just about 10 minutes can instantly help you feel better. Bay oil or bay leaves can also be used as an effective repellent against cockroaches, moths, silverfish, mice, etc. It is also helpful in treating dental infections and circulatory problems. Internal use of essential oils should be strictly avoided, and make sure that you dilute essential oils before using it for topical application, as pure and organic essential oils are highly concentrated liquids and may cause allergies if used on the skin directly. Thank you.